Hello everyone, so in today's video we're going to be making a Dollar Tree bunny wreath. Here I'm going to use a wreath that I created, a snowman that I created for Christmas this year, or last year, sorry. I'm just going to take them apart because I do need these two bind wreaths that I got from the Dollar Tree. I have a smaller one on the top for the head and a bigger one for the body. And then you're going to need one more just to make the ears for the top. So I'm going to disassemble all this off of this snowman to make a bunny. Now, to make the bunny ears, I recommend getting the bigger bamboo wreath. But sadly, when I went back to get more, they only had the little ones, the little 12 inches. So the ears are not going to be the best, but we're going to make shift with what we have. I already have a pair here halfway made. Right here. I have to wire these down together. So all I did... it's a little hard to do, at least for me it was. I just bent it inwards and then just start pushing these two together to make the ears. It does have a wire inside, so you can kind of maneuver it. It is a little hard, but it is possible. You do see little pieces of stick coming out, which I'll try to break off in a minute. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wire these down together. So I have some floor wire here. We're just going to loop it and tug on it to make sure that it is tight. Okay, so now I looped that through a lot of times. Just gonna give it a good tug and a cut. So I grabbed some floral wire that I bought at Michael's, but it's very thin. I actually recommend the Dollar Tree one's very thick, or if you can get thicker one. I just looped it on a few times. I'm not worried about it because I'm going to cover it with flowers when I do the whole decorating of the bunny. So now we have that in place. Please ignore this. This is where the hat of the snowman was. But sadly, I wasn't able to take it all off. It's really on there, glued well. So I'll just make sure to cover that with flowers as well. So now we're going to attach these two. Sadly, I don't have toothpicks. If you have toothpicks, you're able to pass the toothpicks through them. Just cut off the ends and it'll actually help support while you do more wiring. But sadly, since I don't have that, I'm just gonna loop some more wiring. What I do first before I start passing the wire through is get some hot glue. Put it here where it's gonna connect to the body. Press that down. Now we're going to grab our floor wire. That through here a few times. And I'm just going to loop it as many times as you feel needed. I'm going to make sure I do it 10 to 15 loops. Make sure it's good on the I'm just gonna cut the piece off, grab it, and just tug. Make sure it's there wet. Perfect. So now we have the ears connected to our body. Now the fun part is decorating it. Now to decorate our bunny, I have these flowers from the Dollar Tree. Don't know how to say that name. These are very beautiful. I got these in this pink and I have them in yellow. And I also have these roses here, a very light peach and a little, I have one with a little higher tone of pink. So we're just going to decorate. So I would like to start off with the roses. So I can just start putting them around, spacing it so I can hang these pretty ones that we have here. So I'm just gonna do and cut a rose here. So all I'm doing, just leaving a few inches of the stem. Since it is the bamboo, we can just pass it through the rose, like so. Make sure you loop it through the whole bamboo. And you know how, and if you want to use a little glue to leave it, but so far it's working. So first I'm just going to go around with the roses. Now we're going to start the head of the bunny. I'm going to put one here with all that wire. Now we have these here that I would like to add around. This greenery here is a little too fake for me, so I don't want to have that in there. So I'm going to drag that down. I just want this part here. So what I'm doing with these, I'm just going to stick one pink and one yellow on each side around the neck area. I'm just gonna do the same thing I did with the flowers. Just get the stem of it and just poke it in. can't really see how it's coming out until I pick it up, and I will in a minute. Like I said, all I'm doing is just looping it or passing it through a bamboo barber like we've been doing with the roses. Okay, so here we have the body of the bunny completely covered with roses, and then we have these really pretty dangly ones that all I did was, just like I did the roses, I just passed it through the bamboo. Like I said, if you want to put some glue, you're able to just secure a little more. So I'm going to zoom you guys out so you guys can see the full view of the bunny. And here we have our bunny wreath. All products are from the Dollar Tree. I used 4 packs of roses, and I did put one of each of these, so if you need just 2 of these,